Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sam Boyk, and this is Mile High Living. Thrive MD is a top-rated concierge clinic that specializes in longevity management, regenerative medicine, hormone therapy, IV therapy, and medical weight loss. Dr. Long Vu from Thrive MD Clinic joins me to share more about longevity medicine. Great to have you. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Remind our viewers about Thrive MD Clinic. What are the things that you guys offer?
Yes, as you mentioned, we are a concierge longevity medicine clinic. We also specialize in regenerative medicine. So that means taking your stem cells, bone marrow aspirates, and injecting it back into degenerated spine or joints.
Okay. So. We were just talking before this show, some really exciting things in the longevity medicine industry right now. What are these exciting things that you can talk about, especially happening at Thrive MD?
Well, there is a therapy called therapeutic plasma exchange, so we call it TPE. And this is a therapy where we actually remove a patient's plasma and then exchange it for fresh plasma. So the analogy is, if you could take a car and you do an oil change in that car to keep the engine running smoothly, that's exactly the equivalence of what we're doing here. So all the basically junk and inflammatory markers and cytokines and things that are markers of chronic inflammation that have built up in your body over the years can be removed in this procedure.
Okay, and what are some of these benefits? I mean, are we talking about diseases or things that could be maybe healed or improved?
Yeah, we want to be careful about saying whether we can heal people with this.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's definitely studies, and recent studies, showing that we can severely or significantly slow down the progress of certain diseases. Like, for instance, a recent 2 studies came out, one in 2020 and one in 2025, about Alzheimer's disease.
Okay.
So that's a very difficult condition to treat. We do not have good medications for that. Only recently were there FDA-approved antibodies to treat it. But now, if you can imagine, in Alzheimer's disease, everyone knows, most people know about the beta amyloid or amyloid beta proteins that may be phosphorylated tau. These are the proteins that cause Alzheimer's disease, right? So with TPE, these studies have shown that we can actually remove these from the blood and significantly slow down the progress of Alzheimer's disease. So, for instance, the FDA-approved medications, can slow down 20-30% progression of disease. This can slow down 50 to 70% progression.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to say that 50 to 70, depending on what you measure: cognition, function, language, memory recall, all improved, or the disease progression slowed down significantly with that.
Wonderful to hear about this, and thank you for sharing TPE with our viewers today. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And Thrive MD is Colorado's premier concierge doctor for longevity, regenerative medicine, and hormone management. To learn more and to schedule an introductory consultation, visit thrivemdclinic.com or call 720-586-4297. This was a sponsored segment.